Now question before us is curved surface area of the cone is 308 square centimeter and its slant height is 14 centimeter. We have been asked to calculate the radii of the base as well as the total surface area of the cone. So now what has been given to us is curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to 308 square centimeter. What is the another value which has been given to us is slant height, which is noted by L. It is 14 centimeter. Suppose this is the cone. We have been given this slant height, this 14 centimeter. Another value which has been given to us is curved surface area. This is the curved surface area, which is the curved or slanted part of slanted area of the cone. This is the, but we have not been given the area of the base. So now what is the formula for curved surface area? It is pi r L. From here we will fill in the values of curved surface area. This is 308. What is the value of pi? It is 22/7. R is not known to us. We will calculate the same. We will fill in the value of slant height. It is 14. We will cut 14 with 7. Now it will come. 22 will be multiplied by 2. It will become 44 R. And the value of R becomes 308 divided by 44. We divide both by 2 and it will become 154/22. We will again divide both of these items by 2 and it will become 11. Now 77 can be divided by 11. It will become 7. So value of R is 7 centimeter. Now what is the another point? This is the value of radius. So the first part, which was radius of the base of the cone, is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the answer of the first part of the question. Now the second part. We have to calculate the total surface area of the cone. Or TSA is equal to pi r into r plus L. We will fill in the relevant values. Pi 22/7. Value of r we have calculated 7 into 7 plus L. Value of L is 14. We will divide 7 by 7. It will come 22 into 7 plus 14. It will become 21. We will multiply 22 by 21. (462 square centimeter). This is the total surface area of the cone. This is the answer before us. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.